Today's snack review: SmartFood chocolate glazed donut popcorn. Saw these at Walmart. Couldn't pass them up. I mean, it's chocolate donut popcorn. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh man, it smells like glazed donut all day. Come on, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna eat this whole bag. Oh man, that's spot on. Who would have ever thought popcorn would elevate itself to this level? I'm glad it did. SmartFood chocolate glazed donut popcorn. I'm gonna give this, oh man, it's gonna be first time, 9 out of 10. I'm going all in on these. I don't think these are gonna make it to the end of the day. I got mine at Walmart. Go get you a bag. See you next time.